Guys, sisimulan na natin yung video. New top 5. Yun ang re-reakan ko. Simulan na natin. Balentong Ghost TV nga pala. Guys, ako nga pala si Master Harley.
So from popular Mexican ghost hunter Eric Gunner.
Simulan na natin. New top 5. Oh, tingnan ko yung upuan. Sa tingin niya, hindi niya daw alam kung anong meron sa parang ganon sa school na yan.
At first, Eric and his friend aren't finding much.
Sa pang-apat daw na room, yun ang pinuntahan nila. Nakakatakot yan kung mag-isa pa lang dyan, no? Kaya meron siyang taga-video
And almost as if on cue, things start to get weird. As they walk by the classrooms, they start to hear the sound of
Titignan natin guys kung ano talaga to. Legit talaga na walang edit sa video na to. Nakakarinig daw sila ng kung sino doon na tao, parang ganun. Papasok sila sa CR. CR daw ng babae. Women's bathroom. Walang nakikita sa kabila kaya tumingin pa sila sa kabila. Wala rin. It doesn't nothing. Wala pa rin daw, wala pa rin. Pero umalay mo, meron silang makita, di ba? Tingin niya daw yung isa daw, sira.
They find nothing unusual, so they turn to leave. And this is where things get truly bizarre.
Tignan natin maigi.
Did you see it?
May paa guys.
The guys don't notice it, but as they are leaving, a set of bare feet can be seen standing inside of one of the bathroom stalls. A stall that was empty only seconds before. But by far the most chilling shot Eric Gunner catches that night happens when he's casually panning his camera over the school parking lot. Watch again. As Eric pans his camera across the empty parking lot, there's a little girl just standing there all alone. As he pans back a few seconds later, no one
Wait lady yata. Sa court.